I'm Jason Earnhardt at Levels for Guitar, and this is Level 2 in our YouTube Strumming playlist. If none of this content on the page makes any sense, then you'll want to review the videos leading up to this one in the YouTube Strumming playlist. This exercise is written in 4/4 time signature. Today we're going to be strumming quarter notes, eighth notes, and we're going to include a new feature in this Level 2, and that's the quarter rest. All this at 60 beats per minute on the backing track, and we're going to be performing all this over a G major chord. Don't forget these symbols here. We're going to be using down strums and up strums. So that's what those symbols mean. And just as a quick review, remember you're always playing down strums on the count. So this quarter note is on a count, and that's why we have a down strum. And then on these eighth notes, you'll have a down strum on the count and then an up strum on the upbeat. That's the rule for now. When we add 16th notes later, we might need to change these rules. But for right now, always down strums on counts and up strums on the upbeats. And then when it comes to this quarter rest, you can kill the sound with your fretting hand or your picking hand. And I'll explain that in the next video segment. But remember, a quarter rest is a quarter note of active silence. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was taken from measure 2. And there we had a quarter rest on count 2. And I was able to stop the strings at the same time I prepared for the down strum on count 3. 1, 2. And there I'm prepared by putting the pick on top of that big E string in preparation for that next down strum. Now there are times where you want to prepare with the pick underneath the little E string for an upbeat. But in this case, we have a down strum on the count on count 3. So as you rest on count 2, you want to put that pick above the big E string. 1, rest, 3, 4. All right, let's get to work. Your goal is to count and play this exercise from start to finish. When you get to the rest, you can either say the word rest or remain silent for that count. To demonstrate, I'm going to work with you for one run through. And then I've got the same backing track at the end of this video for you to test your skills. All right, I'll give a 4 count and we'll begin.